Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel with another video. Today we're going to cover something really exciting, how to reserve your spot for withdrawing cat coins. Now it's not exactly a withdrawal just yet, but more about securing your place in line so that when it's time, you'll be ready to claim your coins without missing out. I'll walk you through the process step by step to make sure you get it right. Let's get into it. I recently shared this post on my Telegram channel, and as you can see, the Airdrop page is now live. You can officially participate, but there's something crucial to keep in mind, which I'll explain. I've already gone through the process, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do it. We're going to go over how to withdraw from the Beit Gate platform, and soon after, it will also be available on other platforms. But before we dive into the tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like if you're finding it helpful. It really helps the channel grow and spread the benefit to others. Now, on to the good stuff. So the first 200,000 users who withdraw will get an additional 3,000 cat coins. It's first come, first served, so speed is key here. I've already withdrawn mine, but don't worry. I'm here to show you exactly how to do it too. Once you're ready, you'll head over to Beit Gate to grab your address. Remember, the first 200,000 users are the lucky ones who'll snag that extra 3,000 cat coins, but you have to act fast. Now, I know things can seem overwhelming, especially when we're talking about screenshots, wallets, and airdrops, but hang tight. I'm here to break it all down for you. In this next part of the video, we're going to enter the bot, and I'll walk you through how to get verified and make sure your wallet is set up properly. When you open the bot, you should see a verification mark. It's super important that you do this, as it proves you're eligible for the airdrop. For those wanting to double their rewards, you'll need to pay 1 ton, that's a cryptocurrency, to increase your airdrop allocation. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's all worth it. I've been doing the daily tasks, like sharing the avatar pictures, and each of these steps earns you more coins. So don't skip out on those easy tasks. They really add up. All right, let's dive into the actual withdrawal process. First, head over to the airdrop section of the bot. You'll see options like exchanges and non-custodial wallet. But don't worry if some options are still locked. It just means they're not available yet. We're focusing on the exchanges platform today, so click on exchanges, then continue, and follow along with me. After clicking, you'll notice a prompt telling you that you can withdraw cat coins on specific platforms such as Beit Gate, Bybit, and KuCoin. This is where things get interesting. It just means they're not available yet. We're focusing on the Beit Gate platform today. In about 12 hours, you'll be able to access these other platforms for the withdrawal, so don't miss out. Once you're on Beit Gate, you'll need to input your UID, user ID, and your cat coin address. If you don't have a Beit Gate account yet, don't worry. I'll drop a link in the video description to help you sign up. Now, let's get your UID. Go to Beit Gate, then click on the squares in the top right corner. Here at the top of the menu, you'll see your profile. This is the user ID you'll need. Simply copy the UID by taping on it. Go back and paste your UID into the bot. Now, let's get that all-important cat coin address. Go to Beit Gate, then Spot, click on Deposit, and search for cats. Remember, it's spelled C-A-T-S. Once you find it, tap on it, and make sure to select the correct network. In this case, ton. All right, you'll see your deposit address. Copy the address. There's no memo code needed here, but the minimum withdrawal is 25 cats, which is good news because it suggests the coin could have some real value. Paste your address into the bot, confirm, and you're good to go. Now we wait for the processing. This might take a few moments, but once it's done, your coins will be on their way. So what's next? You might be wondering about the airdrop schedule. Well, the airdrop snapshot is set for September 30th. That means they'll be taking a record of who is eligible, and soon after, you should receive your cat coins. Just keep an eye on your wallet around that time. For more updates, make sure you're subscribed to my Telegram channel, where I'll be posting any news on the airdrop and withdrawal process. You won't want to miss it. Before we wrap up, a few important things. If you're having trouble withdrawing, you might have missed some requirements. For example, you need to have completed at least 15 daily tasks, invited 5 friends, and uploaded 5 avatar pictures. These are easy tasks that boost your eligibility and help you avoid disqualification. If you're seeing a message that says you're not qualified, double-check that you've completed those requirements, the OG transaction, where ye maximum rewards. I know there was a lot of information packed into this video, but I hope it helped clarify things for you. We've gone over the airdrop, how to reserve your spot, and how to make sure you're qualified for the best rewards. Don't forget to follow me on Telegram for the latest updates on cat coins and the upcoming listing.